Hey guys, this is me Rishali. Thank you so much for joining in today. I will be doing Joker Folie the Inspired Lady Gaga's makeup today. Uh, I love the makeup when it's a bit chaotic and it's a bit, out of the box, out of the way. I can like paint my face and do something which is a bit messy. Apart from these kind of makeup, I don't wear it daily or anywhere. I love going bait faced everywhere. If you know me personally, you know what I mean. But this makeup is a bit chaotic. It's really Octoberish, like Halloween, Halloween goals and stuff like that. So I'm pretty excited to watch the movie, as you might have already noticed. Joker first part came around 2019. Joaquin Phoenix won Best Actor award at the Oscars. I remember, and rest is history. Like everybody got so much obsessed with the brilliant movie. I don't know much if it was supposed to be a sequel kind of situation, but in any way I'm very much happy about this. Talking about Lady Gaga, I'm very much into her zone right now. Her song with Bruno Mars is a hit. It's playing on loop in my playlist all the time. It's so fabulous. Like the tune, Lady Gaga's time in that, like when only the music plays and she's like dancing on the tune, is fabulous. I loved this song. Like the ballad track is something which is given like rock pop, and I extremely loved it. It's not very much mainstream like whatever is happening right now the girlies are putting out there. I loved this duo and them coming up with a perfect lyric, perfect video, perfect music to it, something new, and I'm totally obsessed about it. So, like, what is not like about it, right? Uh, like, one can't literally go wrong with it at all, right? So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to do the do the arrow kind of around the eye, like make it like conical shaped above the eyebrow, as you can see in the video. And I've just taken inspiration from Lady Gaga's posters, which were released earlier last month, I guess. And that's what I'm gonna do. It's like super easy this time. It's not much of the paint going here and there, but yeah, the lips will be popping up later. Uh, and I'm pretty much into it. Um, this year also the pop girlies are serving, like can you imagine, like we are being failed like everybody else says, like Charlie XCX, Taylor, Kesha also had released a song earlier this year. Jennifer Lopez, although not many people like the album, she released it. And we have Lady Gaga now. Like all the people I was obsessed about in 2010s are here serving us. Yeah, it's a dream, right? Like there is going to be what a competition in VMAs and Grammys next year. I'm so excited to know about what will happen around that time. Like only Britney Spears is remaining among those pop girlies to release any sort of song or single or album this year. This year will go down in the history of the best year, I feel, in 20. Okay, like this decade, like this another decade we are having after the 2010s, you know what I mean. um it's so brilliant, and Lady Gaga is an artist with she collaborated with Tony Bennett too. Like the presence and the virtue, the purpose, the integrity she oozes around is fabulous. Like Like there is the character which comes off from her makeup, from the movies, from the songs, from the lyrics. um it's just brilliant. I fell in love with her album. I fell in love with Lady Gaga. I fell in love with the music when Judas was out back in the day, and I was so obsessed by her makeup and the way she dresses up, the way she does things. And that's not surprise to me that I chose to do this makeup, and I love these kind of fun and chaotic makeup. Like I was so much into her music around that time, and I'm so happy that this year I will be getting to watch her in the movie. I will be getting an album from her. I guess we'll be getting two albums, possibly, because the Harley Quinn is going to come along with Joker, and LG7 is another one. I hope I'm not wrong about it. And then we also have this Die with a Smile. Like, such a brilliant surprise, such a brilliant time to be monsters right now, and yeah, I'm gonna just enjoy this time. um and it's October, so it's of course the spooky season and stuff like that. I'm gonna participate in October this year also. Very much excited for all of that is yet to come. And yeah, that's what I want to talk about right now. Thank you so much for joining in. I will be playing some music right now, and you can watch me complete the full face right in a second in the video.